Here I have Google Pixel 7, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon here, go to the more settings, and here you can find this feature, gestures, volume key action, and here you can set it to shutter, zoom, volume, or just disable it. So let's set it to zoom and try this feature out. As you can see now, with volume keys I can zoom in or zoom out. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.